Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi to medium. So, my name is Iman Iskandar Putra bin Taharatlan and my teammate is Syafiq Izwan, Zul Haziq, Azim and Ilham. We present about our project which is communication and network, computer network, sorry. So, my part is about introduction. So, Syarikat AAPBCC Sdn Berhad is currently in a process of constructing their own building to accommodate their expansion on service and staff. So here is some classification which need to analyze by network. The first one is type of data. The second one is the requirement of transmission speed. The third one is the reliability of network. And last but not least is security requirement of new network. Alright, we go to suitable network equipment. So for the switch, we going to use the Cisco Catalyst 3750 Metro series, and UTP cable, we use UTP RJ45 Cat5e cable, and internet service provider which is ISP, and the last one is we're going to use Starbus topology. That's all.
Hi, my name is Ilham Ghazi bin Iskandar Afian, and today I will talk about the most appropriate network topology in our project. For level G and level 1, we use Starbus topology, which is a hybrid topology. So level G and level 1 consists of two blocks, A and B, and it has 5 labs in each block in each and every level. And each lab has 25 PCs, and for these PCs we propose to use bus topology for the network connection, and we use star topology for Wi-Fi connection, hence the name star bus topology. Whereas for level 2 and level 3 we will also use star bus topology. In level 2 and level 3, we have 20 PCs in each blocks in level 2 and 3, and it is crucial to use Starbus topology because we want to make sure that administrators can still use the PCs for internet connection even when one of the nodes in the topology is broken. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azim bin Abdul Karim with the matrix number of 73244. In this video, I'm going to present about the building layout and structured cabling in the network design. As you can see, this is level G and level 1 layout. Here, according to figure, block A has 5 lab classes and block B has 5 lab classes as well. Each lab conducted by 25 computers. In the middle of the building layout, it indicates stairs between two blocks. There is also available emergency exit, as you can see on the figure. This is the layout of level 2. According to figure, block A and block B is for academic staffs. Each block conducted by 20 computers. In the middle of the building layout, it indicates stairs between two blocks. There is also available emergency exit in this level. Then, this design layout is for level 3. Here, according to figure, block A is for admin staff and block B is for academic staff. Each block conducted by 20 computers. On the other hand, the server room is stayed beside admin staff block. In the middle of the building layout, it indicates stairs between two blocks. There is also available emergency in this level as well. Okay, last but not least, I would like to explain about the network design. In this network architecture, we use 4 routers. 2 routers are for border routers and 2 are core. All have connected with each other. If any of the 4 routers is not working, then other 3 will keep the line alive. And we use 12 switches for our network, as you can see on the figure, where 2 are core switches, 2 are distribution switches, and 2 server room switches, which are connected to the router to the end user. Okay, in network diagram, we see our network divided into 2 layers, which one is for core layer and another one is distribution layer. In core layer, we see 2 border routers, 2 core routers, and all routers are connected each other by optical fiber, so they can transmit high-speed data In core layer, there are two switches connected all of the router each other. The core switches routers are connected to server room by server room switches to the workstation. Then our distribution layer, we see distribution switch are connected to the core layer routers, and we use 6 extra switches for our distribution layer as end user can increase the data to distribute to all end user. All connection is connected by unshielded twisted pair cable. Also, our backup switches always help us to make our network system 100% safe from network failure. If any of hub or switch got failed or crashed, then we can use extra cable to connect from the peripheral hardware to connect for emergency situation.
Next, we will move to network security. Network security risk assessment will be outlined as a method of evaluating security risks. Connecting to the internet through the organization network requires careful planning to ensure us and our support teams have truly planned for all your security networking framework needs. The first risk is For the first risk, the vulnerability is the presence of wet pipe sprinkler. The threat is the fire. For the risk of compromise is computers, network devices, and data. For the summary, the sprinkler will cause damage on the computers, network devices, and data. For the second risk is for the vulnerability is ad hoc method of faculty access. The threat is unauthorized access. The risk of compromise is confidentiality of data faculty. For the summary, the unauthorized access via the ad hoc method could compromise the confidentiality of faculty data. The third risk, vulnerability is the configuration of login encryption. The threat is malicious use of computer crime. The risk of compromise is confidentiality of faculty data. For the summary, username and password exploitation could result in leaking and compromising the confidentiality of faculty data. The fourth risk is for the vulnerability is security does not being patched. The threat is malicious use of computer crime. The risk of compromise, confidentiality and integrity of data faculty. For the summary, unpatched flaws of security application could result compromising the data integrity and confidentiality when being exploited by unknown user. Ways to prevent for this but first one is the installing firewall. Firewall installation in network is useful to prevent any unauthorized access to the private network of faculty. Any message that entering and leaving the private network will have to pass the truth firewall, and it will be examined each of the messages and data that do not meet the security checks requirement. Firewall function for the network is first one is filtering the packets, second application gateway, and the third one is a proxy server. We will use Kaspersky Small Office Security 4.0 as an antivirus program. Kaspersky scores 100% in protection, which means out of the thousands of malware attacks it absolutely was subjected to. The software block each one and equally block new threats referred to as zero data attacks. Faculty of law network will be same to all users or all users have identical level. Each user will be directed to the security login page of the Faculty of Law in order to access the network using the basic user ID and password security type. For the performance and fault management. Performance management involves managing the overall network performance in terms of maximizing the throughput, reducing the network bottleneck, and can easily identify any problems. Most important is to identify which improvement needs to consider yielding the greatest performance enhancement. To analyze the performance and fault management effectively, we recommend the law faculty to use Op Manager. To access To achieve the process, we suggest the faculty to use Op Manager software. This software can alert the user any unavailable devices of an SMS and email. Furthermore, the alert of alarm can be viewed through many types of applications such as Android application, iPhone application, and iPad application. The software also can assess the damage in real-time graph and perform troubleshooting to ease the correction of errors.
Okay, for approximate cost budget, for UTP RJ45CAT5E cable, the price per unit is RM1 5 cents per meter, and we need 500 meters, so the total is RM750. For D-Link is D-Link AC 1200 GB wireless, MUMIMO AC dual band Wi-Fi, router DIR 842 Unified Hub TV, Maxi Fiber. For price per unit is RM246. We need 3 units, so the total price is RM738. For Cisco Catalyst 3750 Metro series, the price per unit is RM1750, and we need 8 units per block, so the total is 16. So the total price for the equipment is RM28,000. And the last one is firewall Kaspersky Small Office Security 4.0. The price per unit is RM950, and we need 2 units. And the total price is RM1,830. So the conclusion is, as proposed in each building, we are using one core switch, one border router, and one core router, and moreover 2 distribution router, and each DR contain 3 and 2 sub-distribution router, total 5, to provide a high speed in networking and increase the bandwidth, so that the switch won't have any problem to encounter a bad traffic. Our proposed solution is very efficient to provide a better connection for new Syarikat AABBCC Sdn Bhd building. Thank you.